Okay, hi there, Leos. Welcome to your zodiac reading. This is going to be for you guys for the month of December. And I'm doing this a little differently this time. So, first, I'll be looking at the first half of December for you, and then I'll be looking at the remaining part of December with the help of oracle cards. What can you expect in December? All right, so let us see for you for the first 15 days, and then basically, after looking at the themes, I'll be looking at your career and finances and relationships separately. All right, so let's see. First half of December for Leos. First half of December for Leos. Okay, I have two cards. Nice, wow. You're slowly building blocks for a future. This is 9, this is 10. Wow, excellent. So I feel that you're slowly moving in the direction of a very firm foundation in your life in the first 15 days of December. Also, I feel that maybe you might not realize it, but this is setting a path for you which is good for you. It's taking you towards the direction of happiness, stability, understanding, okay? And it's more of like you kind of becoming a better version of yourself with time and with each passing day. All right. I am also seeing that somewhere things are opening up. There are a lot of things coming to surface, and there is a lot of clarity coming in your life. You're moving forward, you are doing things for yourself, and I'm seeing a very happy energy here for you, Leo, in the first 15 days of December. Now, let me see the remaining 15 days of December. How does it look like for you? Because I do feel that I do see this element that you're not realizing it, but you're moving in that direction. Now, let's see. Let's see. The remaining 15 days of December for you. Remaining 15 days of December. How does it look like for you? This card is coming out a lot. I feel something unexpected is going to happen. Either somebody very unexpected is going to reach out to you, probably around 18th or 19th of December. Yes. And this person could be having some sort of unfinished business with you, and this person will reach out to kind of have a talk, have a chat, and understand what's going on. Now, I don't know why exactly, but yeah, I do feel somebody might reach out or something very unexpected will happen. I'm not being able to pick up good or bad, but obviously this has to happen, which is why it is happening. Okay. But yeah, whatever said and done, this has to happen so that some sort of unfinished symphony or unfinished business is cleared between two people. And it is important. Okay? So that's for the remaining part of December. Now let's see how does your finances look. I think this is related to your relationships, but I'll come to it when I do the relationship spread. And let's first see how does your finances and career look like. Your finances and career, how does it look like? Four of Wands. Okay, the number 4 seems very significant. I think you'll be able to save a lot of money, new opportunities, but that is not going to make you happy. New opportunities definitely coming, but it's not going to make you happy. You'll still keep working, you still keep. I think there's a part of you which feels unfulfilled. You feel you can do more or something. Okay? I think you're putting in effort, but you know that you can do more, but you're not getting there. So, yeah, maybe that's the thought playing on your mind when it comes to your finances and career. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing. That at this stage, you just feel a little unfulfilled as to the amount of effort you're putting in. You feel it that way. Okay? Now let's look at your relationships. So this is looking interesting. How do your relationships look like for the month of December? But yeah, pretty much I feel financially you're stable, but it's just that that is not what you're really bothered about. Let's see. Your relationships, let's see. Partnerships and alliances, passion ignited, something good happening here. Wow, okay. So I have a feeling that you will be listening to your heart a lot, okay? And you're somewhere getting to a point of understanding about your relationship deeper. I think you'll dig deeper into your relationship to understand it better. And I do feel that you are reaching some sort of spiritual maturity in terms of understanding that what is what. Like if you would be like, if you're doing, or if you would be doing, or if you are at the moment doing some sort of unfair comparisons, then you will stop doing that. Okay? I feel that you'll stop doing that and you'll reach a stage of spiritual maturity in your relationships. I also feel that you will have a helping hand and you will be doing good, you will be taking care of yourself. And I think you'll be feeling your relationship more closely. You'll be feeling things from inside, you will be feeling strong from inside. Okay, which is what I'm picking up. Now, let's look at the advice for you here. What is the advice for you here? You're releasing preconceived, rigid notions about yourself, another person, or a situation. This has helped you have an open mind. You or another person involved has transformed and changed for the better. A new happy phase of your life can begin if you allow it to. There is some forgiveness happening in the month of December for you. okay, and you're looking at things with a more mature angle, which is what I picked up, which is good for you, okay. You're becoming spiritually mature, you're doing things in a very mature manner, which is a very good thing. And I'm also picking up that somewhere you are reaching a point that yes, this is what I want to do, this is where I want to be, okay. I also pick up that you as a person, you're maturing up, you're being very strong, you're understanding where you belong and what exactly you're supposed to do, okay. Which is why I think there is someone, I think, stepping in with whom you have some unfinished business, and you will forgive this person or something like that. Let's see what happens. But yes, I do see a event which is serendipitous, so yeah, that's what I'm picking up for you. All right, Leos, so that's what I have. I hope this reading helps you for the month of December. Let me know in the comments. And private readings are open, so you can reach out to me, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.